21. Air cycle air conditioning. Air cycle air conditioning. Air cycle air conditioning. So hot compressor bleed air operates the conditioned air system on some turbine aircraft. Cooled air is supplied by the air cycle air conditioning. Air cycle air conditioning. Hot compressor bleed air operated air system on some turbine aircraft. Cold air supplied by the air cycle air conditioning system. Okay. 22. Chemical oxygen generator systems. Chemical oxygen generator systems. Chemical oxygen generator systems. Chemical oxygen generator systems. So, for use in pressurized aircraft, which is generally the least complicated and requires the least maintenance, the chemical oxygen generator systems. Chemical oxygen generator systems. For use in pressurized aircraft, it is least complicated and requires least maintenance. All right? Chemical oxygen generator systems. Number 23. Moisture. Moisture. What is the main cause of contamination in gaseous oxygen systems? It's moisture. Moisture is the main cause of contamination in gaseous oxygen systems. Moisture. Okay? Number 24. Expansion turbine. Expansion turbine. Expansion turbine. Where does the last stage of cooling in air cycle conditioning system occurs? It occurs in the expansion turbine. Expansion turbine. Where does the last stage of cooling in an air cycle air conditioning system occurs? In the expansion turbine. Expansion turbine. Number 25. A condenser. 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 So the point of which freon flowing from the vapor cycle cooling system gives up heat and changes from a gas to a liquid is the condenser. The condenser. The condenser is the point at which freon flowing through the vapor cycle cooling system gives up heat and changes from a gas to a liquid. Condenser. Number 26. Evaporator. 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 The point at which freon flowing through the vapor cycle cooling system absorbs heat and changes it from a liquid to the gas. That would be the evaporator. When freon is changed from liquid to a gas, it is done in the evaporator. It evaporates the liquid. Evaporator. Changes freon liquid to a gas. Evaporator. Number 27. By an automatic outflow valve that dumps all pressure in excess of the amount for which it is set. By an automatic outflow valve that dumps all pressure in excess of the amount for which it is set. So, how is the cabin pressure of a pressurized aircraft usually controlled? By an automatic outflow valve that dumps all the pressure in excess of the amount for which it was set. By an automatic outflow valve which dumps all the pressure in excess of the amount which it is set. Okay. 28. Supplement physical inspections with periodic operation carbon monoxide detection test. So, a supplement physical inspections with periodic operational carbon monoxide detection test. So, which is considered a good practice concerning the inspection of a heating and exhaust systems of aircrafts utilizing a jacket around the engine exhaust as a heat source. So, you need to supplement physical inspections with a periodic operational carbon monoxide detection test. Carbon monoxide detection test. Okay? You need to supplement physical inspections with periodic carbon monoxide detection test. Number 29, main landing gear operated switch. Main landing gear operated switch. Main landing gear operated switch. On some cabin pressurization systems, pressurization on the ground is restricted by the main landing gear operated switch, also known as a squat. Main landing gear operated switch. Okay. Number 30, outflow valve opening. Outflow valve opening. Outflow valve opening. So the cabin pressure control setting has a direct influence upon the outflow valve opening. So once you put your settings in place, it won't increase the pressure because any excess pressure will go out the outflow valve. So cabin pressure control settings has a direct influence upon the opening of the outflow valve. Take another quiz, and I'll see you soon.